Hey everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video regarding how you can delete your Reddit account on your app. But before we start with our video, as usual, do like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share this with your friends and family who also wants to delete their account. And yeah, let's go. So you will just go to your app, and then once your app is open, you will see this profile icon on your upper right corner. Tap on that icon, and then you will just go directly to this setting option. Tap on that, and then you will just go directly to the support section, help center. Tap on that help center, and once you tap on help center, your Reddit app's help center page will be open on your phone browser. So you will just go to on search bar. So once you type in that, you will get this how do I delete my account article with all the explanation how you can do it. And then you will just go to this on reddit.com. First option, tap on this account setting option, and then as you can see, there is all your informations, and then swipe down, and then you will see delete account options. Once you tap on that option, and your account will be deleted from your app. So yeah, this is how you can delete your Reddit account on your app, and I hope this video has helped you so far. Please do make sure to leave comments below, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.